You got a meat with you?
No, I'm just trying to get this guy. I can't even.
Is he stopped?
Yeah.
Maybe with the door open we can. Let me see. Yeah, he is stopped. There he is.
I put the saddle on him, but that's not the one that we normally fly. It's the other one.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, this guy doesn't have any meat with him.
I think he might. Let me check. I think we might have left it on the mammoth. Did we leave it on the mammoth? Yeah. Yeah, I think you did.
You think?
Yeah. Ah,
Okay, I'm gonna feed
these
him
glitches
cooked
are
meat
so
then.
annoying, dude.
This guy gonna tank fast.
Oh my goodness, this is so annoying. This bird is, I don't know, I can't even.
What is he doing?
He's like flying, I can't reach him. And so I can't.
Oh god. Let me see. Let's see if I whistle him.
I got him. It's just.
Got him.
Do you need what do you need? You need meat?
Raw meat?
All right.
Yeah.
Let me go back to the mammoth because I think I put the meat.
Maybe it's on the Argentavis. Let's check first, no?
All right. Well, can you reach?
I gotta put a ladder in here.
Yeah, I was gonna say, it's like, dude, it's put a ladder or something so you get to the top. No, it's on the.
Oh man, that's annoying.
All right, here.
I have cooked meat though, but not raw meat.
No. Here, let me go.
Takes longer.
I'll take our bird and I'll go back and get it. All right.
Okay.
What was this guy? No 75. What was this guy? Oh, sweet. Hey, bro, where you at?
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, there's a level 15 Argentavis right over here, man.
Oh, cool. Hey, this thing is buggy. It doesn't let me access to the wolf.
No?
I don't know. I think he's... Oh, okay, I got him. Because he's like 2 against the... Oops, sorry.
Oh, dude, he ate...
No, it was me. Sorry.
Do you want to... I mean, what do you want to do? Do you want to try the... Man, the wolves are huge. Do you want to try to tame this Argentavis? Level 15?
Yeah, I really... Yeah.
I think we should get that mammoth. Dude, we got to get that mammoth to a safer spot, man. Because I saw a saber-tooth on the way back up there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Is there a way,
Can
walking wise, to on the top, or you want to put it on the boat?
I don't know. Or at least, I don't know. What do you think?
Because there's no spawns on the top, you know? Where we have... There's no animals don't spawn there.
Alright, well, we'll just leave them there for now, then. But, we gotta get... We gotta get some, like, stuff in here, man. Like, we gotta get some, like, torches and stuff so we don't freeze to death.
Let me see.
Oh man, hey, let me make some weapons, man. Firearm, metal. Do we have metal? Metal.
I don't know in here.
Metal and cementing paste.
We have a lot of cementing paste, but no more metal.
Polymer. Cause dude, I can basically make a free pistol.
Yeah, but we don't need that, right? What we do?
Well, I'm just saying weapons, explosives.
Yeah. Dude, I cannot put a ladder in here. It forces me to put from inside. Just. Oh man, I hate when that happens. Why is it doing this?
I mean, I'm saying we should at least use what we can, you know, while we have it. I mean, it's free. Why not?
Oh yeah, the polymer before it goes bad, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. You're right. Let me get put some standing torches in here, because I took the other one in there so I could put the fabricator.
Because I can make an assault rifle with 30 more cementing.
Oh, you already have that learned? You learned
yeah.
that already?
I just learned it right now. I need 35 metal ingots, and I need 30 more.
So much metal.
I mean, how much cementing paste do we got?
Still, I think we still have a lot in here. And we have some more in the other base. Dude,
did you put gas? Did you put the gasoline in here or no?
There is here. Here on this thing. There's 62 gasoline.
Yeah, I grabbed it. Yeah.
Hey, can I put a campfire inside this place?
Yeah, if you can fit it.
Yeah, like right here in the middle. Even if just for now, because nighttime it gets super cold in here.
Yeah.
If I put close to the bed, does it burn the bed down?
It shouldn't. But hey, dude, okay. you know the dog was able to attack this.
Yeah, you had the door open, dude. right?
I guess. Is there any metal on the?
He was going through. He was going through this door. I saw. He can't close it. Close the doors and just open the windows. Okay. Okay, my friend.
All right.
Okay, how is he?
You just gotta watch. He doesn't.
Get him. Get him. He has a lot of health.
Yeah.
Get him. Get him. When he gets to half of it out. Okay, that's fine. That's good.
All right.
That's
I'm gonna go check this to see if there's any metal on the nest. You think there's any metal in the nest? Oh, let me turn this.
I can't remember. Man.
Let's turn this thing off.
Oh, the other one, the here, I think it has some.
What, the carrier?
The carrier.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, be right back.
If not, I can go grab it.
Check it out. It's scary, right?
It is. I wonder what it is. Is that? I don't know what that is.
I don't know.
I'm glad this is a female that it's gonna lay eggs, right?
No. It's a mammal, dude. Doesn't lay eggs.
No, it's a female.
Yeah, but it's a mammal. In this game, like, they don't lay eggs.
Who lays eggs then?
I think they get pregnant.
Oh, it's a mammal. Oh gosh, I feel so stupid right now. Duh. Oh man.
Dude.
Is this in recording?
Yeah, this is recording, dude. I'm totally putting this on YouTube.
Oh gosh.
So you want me to explain the science behind mammals?
It's so funny the way you said it. Man, it's a mammal. Like, seriously.
I
You've been making fun of me. That's so funny.
Alright, I crafted an assault rifle. Oh, we gotta check it out. I wanna see. I don't have any bullets made, but...
Let me check it out, man.
Here, it's right here. What do I look like?
Wow. It looks pretty cool. It looks real.
Yeah. You think that we can kill some T-Rexes with this?
Oh, I think it just seems to want damage. They use a lot of bullets, right? I hope making the bullets for them is easy or cheap, you know?
Yeah, I don't know. All right, I think this wraps it up for this video.
And guys, kids at home,
Don't-
remember, mammals don't lay eggs.
All right, we'll see you in the next one.